morning to the members of Inspection Committee and the observer of CBSE New Delhi. I am the principal of school Nitesh Gurau. Welcome to our school, Indian Olympiad School, Bhilgaon, Nagpur. Now, for further narration, I hand over the charge my colleagues to Mr. Uzair Khan sir. Thank you so much.
A very good morning to one and all. This is the main entrance of our school building, Indian Olympiad School, Bhilgaon, Nagpur. As we enter the main gate of our school, we can see on the right side the guard room. This is the front view of our school building. We have the bird eye view of our school building. This area includes the basketball ground, the football ground, the cricket pitch, and the assembly area. This is the bird eye view of the second building of our school with the parking area for the buses, the volleyball court, and the boundary walls. This is the boundary wall of our school, which is actually covering the school premises. This area is the kids zone section. This is the main entrance of our school with the reception area. This passage includes the director's office, which is followed by the principal's office. Here is our respected principal, sir, Mr. Ritesh Gurau. As a safety measure, we have the stand buckets for fire extinguishers. This is a physics lab with the powder based fire extinguisher with 1 year validity. As we know, physics is the study of nature and the various phenomena occurring around us. Laboratory is a place where the principles of science can be verified and comprehended in a much better way. Hence, the physics laboratory of our school is a spacious one, and we are having good quality apparatus for all the experiments. which are prescribed as per the latest CBSE curriculum. Especially for a student interested in higher studies in science, a laboratory is a study in science. A laboratory is a place where these young minds can satisfy their inquisitiveness and grasp the concepts of physics in a more concrete way. Our school provides such a platform for such students by providing a well equipped physics laboratory and hence contributing towards the development of science. As we enter the chemistry lab of our school, which is a spacious, well ventilated, well equipped with all the model tools required for chemistry experiments. The chemistry lab is well maintained with proper and regular supply of gas and water required for the various experiments. A lab is also adorned with various informative charts. All the reagents are properly organized in shelves separately marked for use with the colored reagents stored and kept in different shelves. Chemistry lab is open for all the students. The students of middle and primary sections come to see the demonstrations given by the teachers under the proper supervision. They are able to visualize the chemical reactions which otherwise would have led to rote learning. Students of senior classes perform experiments on their own, guided by the experienced teachers and lab assistants. Now we are entering our biology lab, which is equally well equipped with ample number of specimens of plants as well as animals, microscopes, different apparatus, and colorful and informative charts with human skeleton which caters to all the needs of students of all grades up till 12th. We also have a separate biochemical test area in our biology lab. This is our mathematic lab, which is well resourced in manipulation material to which children have ready access to handle them, perform mathematical experiments, solve mathematical puzzles, learn and grow. It serves to the needs of all grades. Technology plays a major role in 21st century education. The new model of integrating technology into the curriculum means the computers are on demand throughout the school day. A computer lab serves as the center for teaching computer use to whole classes by a teacher well versed in the subject. The computer labs are equipped with the following facilities. It has Wi-Fi connection around the clock, multimedia systems, 21-inch LCD monitors, wired mouse, networking environment, a vast collection of educational softwares catering to various. Our library has a curated collection of sources of information selected by experts. It serves to the need of both the school and curriculum, providing equality of access to a variety of resources, including books on Kindle, journal, newspaper, encyclopedia, and many more for students and staff. It provides a welcoming and inclusive learning environment, one in which a passion for reading and a positive attitude to learning is actively promoted here. The library for Tiny Tots is full of fairy tales, little adventure stories, fables, comics, etc. The main library is equipped with a copious array of encyclopedias, dictionaries, biographies, fiction, and non fiction books to gratify the unending quest for knowledge. Classes 1 to 4 have class library, which is a collection of books carefully picked to suit the age and develop a certain level of language proficiency. The school library opens an open access system for all grades. We have a pleasing and comfortable health or sick room to take care of our students. A qualified professional and an attendant are available full time for first aid. Our classrooms are well furnished, comfortable, well ventilated, spacious, creating an environment which encourages students to have a sense of belonging and ownership, which ultimately helps them to grow and learn in a suitable, healthy environment. Currently, the school caters to children of grades 1 to 10 with 18 sections. We have 29 classrooms on the campus, and each classroom has a measurement of 22 by 27 square feet, which can easily accommodate 40 kids. This means we have in total 11 spare classrooms for senior secondary level classes. Our seminar hall is a multi-purpose hall equipped with the latest audio and visual aids for facilitating meetings and workshops. All important events ranging from the inter-school competition to the seminars organized for parents, teachers, students are convened within this space. It boasts of the most efficient technology and comfortable seating arrangement. The design and layout is quite progressive, providing for a unique experience for both the teachers as well as the students. The music room. Music is not only a key part of the curriculum for both our sections of the school learners, there are countless opportunities for involvement outside of timetable lessons. Music activities take place every day of the week from Monday to Friday. Our music rooms are a hive of tuneful activity, playing host throughout the year to approximately hundreds of individual music lessons, band, and ensemble rehearsals and concerts. Our school has several choirs, orchestras, and the music room has various music instruments. The importance of sports and games in school encompasses more than just the benefit of physical activity. As the school believes that sports increases in self-esteem and mental alertness of a child, it adds different sports and physical education program to cater to the needs of every school-age child. School is well equipped with maximum number of indoor and outdoor sports amenities and space with professionally trained physical instructors. The school has a special indoor activity space catering to the needs of students participating in indoor sports like table tennis. As a great multipurpose space with a capacity to accommodate 200 students, the hall satisfies the needs of its assigned function, be it multimedia presentation, stage and musical production, physical education, or dining services. The distinctive feature of this space lies in its various levels being utilized for different purposes. The school boasts of a spacious as well as creative fine art studio, which is the hub for all the artistically inventive within the school. The room is spacious and equipped with the most progressive machinery for arts and craft. All the important designing and craft work is supervised by the art department, ranging from the designing of the school magazine cover to the display banners for all the special occasions. The Fine Art Studio is a unique culture in itself. Diffusing creativity and learning is a holistic manner throughout the school. RO filter having a capacity of 1000 liters. Yes, our school takes the health of our students and teachers very seriously. This is why we have our own water purification plant on campus. Students can drink water straight out of the taps on every floor. Our water purification plant is inspected regularly to ensure the supply of safe and clean drinking water. We have clean, hygienic, separate washroom for boys and girls on each floor with cleaning staff available round the clock. Next. We have installed all the latest safety features which include firefighting equipment. The security of our student is paramount. The school houses an efficient administrative section which is monitored continuously under the CCTV surveillance. On behalf of Indian Olympiad School, Bhilgaon, Nagpur, I would like to thank you all. Thank you and have a nice day.